Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your daily stop for smart, practical tech that makes life cleaner, easier, and sharper. Today, we're diving into one of the most trusted cleaning machines on Amazon, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum Cleaner, model NV356E. If you've got pets, carpets, or hardwood floors, this is the all-rounder you've been waiting for. Let's talk power. This Shark upright vacuum packs serious suction that doesn't fade even after long cleaning sessions. Its lift-away technology is the real star. With just one button, you can detach the pod and instantly convert it into a portable vacuum. Perfect for stairs, furniture, and hard-to-reach areas. That means one tool for the entire home, floor to ceiling. What I love about the NV356E is its anti-allergen complete seal technology, combined with a HEPA filter that traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum, not in your air. For pet owners or allergy sufferers, that's a game changer. It also features swivel steering, giving you smooth, effortless maneuvering around furniture. Plus, the XL capacity dust cup means fewer trips to the trash can, and the included crevice tool and dusting brush handle corners and delicate surfaces with ease. Whether it's carpet fibers, hardwood, or pet hair hiding in upholstery, this Shark doesn't back down. Maintenance is simple, filters are washable, assembly is quick, and the overall build feels solid yet lightweight. Many users report this model lasting several years with consistent power and reliability, something that not all brands can claim at this price point. If you want a vacuum that's versatile, durable, and genuinely powerful, the Shark Navigator NV356E stands tall among competitors. Whether it's your first vacuum or a needed upgrade, this one delivers professional cleaning without the professional price tag. Backhand index pointing right, buy it now on Amazon and experience that effortless deep clean feeling for yourself. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more trusted gadget reviews daily here on Gadgetverse.